Hello, Noveno. We have new activities for next week. What I need you to do is to open a workbook, and that's going to be on page 73, exercise 9. Okay, you need to complete the sentences with the adjectives and prepositions in bold. These are the adjectives and prepositions. ¿Sí? Con las negritas. All these. Okay. If you need any help, you can always go back to the student book and look for the information, or you can use the dictionary and look for the meaning of these words. Let's start with number 1. When something unusual happens, you are usually, I'm going to give you the first answer, surprised at it. See, if you look here, you are going to find surprise. Surprise at, okay? So you need to understand the reading so you can be able to do this part of the exercise. Now, let's do the next exercise. It's going to be number 10. Complete the words. Complete the sentences with these words. We have about it, at the price, of her, with it, for them, as scoring goals. These actually, we were working on this during this week, so I think it's going to be easy for you. But I'm going to give you one anyway. Susie has passed her exam. We are really proud of her, okay? So remember that every time that we are talking, you need to see what are we talking about or who are we talking about, okay? He plays for Manchester City. He's brilliant en qué, okay? London has got some great shops. It's famous for ¿por qué famoso Londres? It's your party tomorrow. We are excited. You are excited. Es tu fiesta mañana. Estamos muy emocionados. The weather is awful. I am fed up. The weather is awful. I am fed up. Estoy harto. ¿Harto de qué? The tickets cost 200 euros. We are surprised. Los tickets costaron $200. Estamos sorprendidos. Okay. Después vamos a irnos a otra hoja. We're going to go to another page, and it's going to be on page 75 on the workbook also, and we're going to be working on the listening. Okay, we're going to start with number 1 and number 2. On number 1, what they ask you to do is just to, we have all these words, okay, and you need to put them in the right position, okay? If you don't know the words, again, you can look it up on the dictionary. On number 2, okay, send you the listening part. So the only thing you have to do is to listen to the audition at the talent show and complete the table, okay? Just listen up and complete. You can repeat as many times as you need in order to get familiarized with the words. Then the next exercise is exercise 3. You need to choose and decide if the sentences are true or false. Mario is younger than Melissa. Again, you need to listen the audio again so you can understand what are they talking about, so you can answer true or false. Okay? Well, that's all for now. On exercise 4, we have another exercise. Exercise 4. Test your memory. Okay. Listen and answer the questions. No, we did this already. This is number 4. And number 5. Okay, you need to write these sentences in your language, which is Spanish. Okay, so you can do that. Well, Noveno, see you next week and have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.